Round out our show today with what you need to know. Peter, Gary, Pat, Bob, what do we need to know?
Ford earnings out tomorrow. Now, Alan Mulally has managed to grow earnings every quarter for more than a year here. My betting is that parade stops tomorrow.
You may well be right.
Probably.
Peter, what do we need to know?
Well, you know, Ben Bernanke told Ron Paul today that the Fed can't create oil. That's right, but it creates money. It creates a lot of money. That's why the price of oil is going up. And now you've got Ben Paulson, who's got this bazooka, right, that he's probably going to pull from his pocket and blow the dollar to smithereens. This Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac bailout is pure inflation. The dollar goes through the floor. Get ready for double-digit inflation, and the first digit is not going to be one.
Yikety yikes. Pat Dorsey, what do you got?
Well, John Chambers shocked the market a little earlier this week with some downbeat comments about Cisco's prospects going forward. The man is a master sandbagger. He is always lowering expectations. And at this point, Cisco trades for 14 times earnings, and they are taking share from everybody and anybody. This thing is clearly worth buying here.
Wow. Okay,
Wow.
Gary K., what do we need to know?
I know there's some bad short sellers out there, but this witch hunt against short sellers is a bunch of monkey caca at this point in time. Bear Stearns went out of business for mismanagement, and everything you're seeing is to take the focus off the blame, and that's the regulators, the Fed, and everybody who watched all this happen and did nothing about it. The short sellers are not to be blamed.
So this is the Fed blaming the private sector for stuff that the Feds did wrong. Is that right?
Absolutely, and on the long side, the rumors are 1,000 times worse than on the short side. I remember when all the private equity buyouts were going on, there were 10 rumors a day lifting this stock and that stock to the moon. That never occurred. Nobody complained then.
So, Bob, 2 seconds. Who's going to win on this? Hank Paulson, who wants to bail out these companies, or the folks who don't? Quickly.
Hank Paulson does. He's got the big bully pulpit.
All right. Time to get happy. Happy Hour is next with your hosts Rebecca Gomez and Eric Bowling live.